Hello! It's great that we're here because today we're going to enjoy that simple, quick, delicious, and surprising recipe. Some mini stuffed turnovers that are baked in the oven and turn out finger-licking good.
Look how simple it is. Place 2 generous tablespoons of cream cheese or spreadable cheese in a container, suitable for your mixer or blender. I'm going to use an immersion blender. And we simply put the cream inside and blend it for a few seconds to make it creamier. So we're going to start adding ingredients. It's that simple. First, I add a little bit of pepper, which I think works great in this kind of recipe. No salt because later I'll add salty bacon. What I do add are 4 large eggs, size L, and I beat it again until everything quickly comes together into a smooth cream. It only takes a few seconds. While still blending, I also add a cup of evaporated milk. Oh, this is going to be good. Perfect. 200 milliliters, and I beat it so it mixes in again. And now in round molds or in square or rectangular molds, it doesn't matter. Whatever you have, even flan molds. We're going to place empanada wrappers, and as you can see, I leave the paper it comes with. Specifically, this package I bought has 12, so I'm going to make 12 mini turnovers. All right, 1 in each slot. I put a little bit of cheese at the bottom, in my case shredded mozzarella, which I think goes great with it. On top, a little bit of bacon cut into strips. Oh, that's going to be good. You can use regular, smoked, whichever you prefer. And now let's fill them with the cream we just prepared. Look, I'm going to start with this corner and work my way through them in order. And I'm going to fill each one of them, always leaving them a little short, just a bit underfilled, so we can finish them off with the rest and have them all at the same level. Perfect. Then we top them off with a little more cheese, also shredded mozzarella in my case, and we'll have the empanadas ready to go into the oven. So pay attention, it's time to enjoy. We're going to place them on a rack and into the oven, which I have preheated to 200 degrees Celsius, that's about 395 Fahrenheit. Heat from above and below. And we're going to leave them until they turn golden, which can take 15 minutes, 20, it depends a bit. You have to pay attention, and when you see they're toasted, take them out because they're ready, and now it's time to enjoy. You can eat them and serve them just like this, on the paper. But if you want, wait a few seconds and remove the paper when they're not too hot. It'll come off easily and you'll have a little tray ready to start eating. You can toast them more or less depending on your personal taste. But the important thing is that they're ready to enjoy. Look how good they look on the bottom. Perfect.
Look, how amazing. What a great dish we've prepared in no time. In my case, penalty taker. Tasty, delicious, beautiful, surprising with the crunchiness of the turnover and the juicy filling, all upsides. Subscribe, but I won't leave without reminding you of something else, which is that, as you saw, I added, well, a bit of mozzarella, a bit of bacon.
But you can.
Of course. Put whatever you feel like and make different kinds and different versions. For example, back in the day, I made some wonderful ones with goat cheese. So I hope you're coming up with ideas and that you'll tell me in the comments what crazy idea you're going to use. And also tell me where you're watching the video from so we can travel all around the world through delicious food.